Hey, what's going on, guys? Bonfire Fishing here, and welcome back to another episode. 39 degrees out. It's cold. I don't want to do an intro too long, but my mom is with me today. She's going to be throwing on a Ned rig on my spinning rod. I'm going to be using my bait caster and throwing a jig around, a finesse jig. So we're going small on the bottom today. This is the end of the year. We got 3 weeks left of December. That's it. We got to make it count. Right, Mom? Yeah, make it count. So we're going to get out here on All right, well, my mom just completely messed up my rod, and really bad. It's not her fault. I don't know what happened. I even did that, put it in the hot water to get that memory line in. I did that, but when she cast it, it got mixed up in about 3-4 different spots. It was really bad. It was just knotted. It was not coming undone or anything. So I'm gonna fish just a few more out here, and then we're gonna run to the store and get her a brand new fishing rod. So we're gonna see how it goes.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Alrighty, guys, got the rod fixed, got new gloves. So yeah, try this out. Ooh, lost a lot of line. This rod was all set up for carp fishing. Not no more. I'm gonna have to get a new line for carp. But we're at a new lake too. Just trying to get a little bass today. Oh, I had one. I already lost one. My mom just got her first spinning rod. So this is gonna be new. Hey, let that thing sit. No, go slow. Yeah, when you cast, just use your one hand up here and then put your other hand right back here and then cast it. Got him. Woo! Kind of choked that one, guys. Wow, look at that, right in there. Wow, that came out easily. Wow, that could be my last bass of the year. That's crazy. Alrighty, guys, there we go on the sweet Ned rig. Just let it sit there, and I could feel him just pick that thing up. That was a really nice pickup by him. Had that thing choked. Look at that fish. All right, see you later, buddy.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From
That was something. I turned off my GoPro to reel in my lure, and then I had this guy on there. Huh. Of course, it has to be as soon as I turn off the GoPro. That came out really easily. Oh, buddy! He came right on my hand. I know he is. Oh my gosh, there he is. There's the mouth on him. See you, buddy. My hands are cold.
Take a step back.
Woo! Just come right out here. I was turning off my GoPro to reel my lure because I was like, you wanna go down here and then we can call it? And I was like, yeah, sure. So I was gonna reel it in so I can get on over there real quick. As soon as I turn off my lure, my GoPro, it was on there. I was like, just my luck.
meant to be.